This next tune, I'm gonna pass it on over to Able Seaman Maggie James. She's joining us with the Royal Australian Navy Band here with us in partnership. She's gonna sing this next tune, aren't you, Mag?
I am. Thank you so much. And we have the wonderful musician, second class Brenton Mitchell, leading on those last two.
That's me.
Give him a little round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. All right. Now I know you guys are teenagers, but I don't think you're ever.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
tunes here. We got one that means a lot for this mission. You know, Pacific Partnership, we're coming here, we're working together. Like I said, learning together, teaching, having fun, good times, good vibes all around. Standing side by side with one another for a common goal. And I think this tune works out perfectly. Y'all already recognize it. Don't you know the words? Sing along with us. And is dark, and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So don't